In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync LinkedIn with Calendly. By the end, you'll have the LinkedIn messaging integration set up so you can quickly share your availability right where you chat with prospects and colleagues. Start by opening Calendly in your browser and signing into your account. From your dashboard, look to the left-hand sidebar and click Integrations and Apps. This opens Calendly's integrations directory, a searchable gallery where you can connect Calendly to other tools you already use. Once you're in the directory, use the search bar and type LinkedIn messaging. When you see the LinkedIn messaging integration, click it to open the details page. Here, Calendly provides links to install the browser add-on that makes the integration work inside LinkedIn. On this page, choose the browser you use, Chrome or Firefox. Pick the one that matches your current browser to avoid compatibility issues. I'll choose Chrome for this walkthrough. Click Download for Chrome and you'll be taken to the Chrome Web Store listing for the Calendly extension. In the store, click Add to Chrome. A confirmation dialog will appear explaining the permissions the extension needs. These permissions allow the extension to detect LinkedIn's message composer and insert your scheduling options on your behalf. Click Add extension to confirm. This step is required so the tool can function correctly inside your browser. After installation completes, you'll see a prompt to log in. Click Log in and authenticate with your Calendly account so the extension can securely access your event types and availability. If your organization uses single sign-on, choose that option when prompted. Once you're logged in, the connection is active. From here, the integration will be ready to use in LinkedIn messaging. The next time you compose or reply to a message on LinkedIn, the extension can surface your Calendly options so you can drop in a scheduling link without leaving the conversation. If you don't immediately see it, try refreshing your LinkedIn tab after logging in. A few quick tips to keep everything smooth. Make sure your event types and availability are already set up in Calendly so the right options appear when you share a link. If the Add to Chrome button is disabled, update your browser and try again. And if you don't see integrations and apps in Calendly, your workspace permissions may be restricted, so check with your admin. That's it, your Calendly is now synced with LinkedIn messaging, making booking meetings from your conversations fast and professional.